Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create documents in LibreOffice Writer in 2026. If you're new to LibreOffice and want to create professional documents for work, school, or personal use, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. From the main Start screen, click on Writer to open a new blank document. Once Writer opens, you'll see a blank page where you can begin typing. Simply click anywhere on the page and start entering your text. Next, use the toolbar at the top to format your document. You can change the font style, font size, text color, and alignment to make your document look more professional. Now, if you want to create headings, select the text and apply a heading style. This helps organize your content and makes documents easier to read. You can also add bullet points or numbered lists by selecting the list options from the toolbar. These tools are useful for creating organized information. Next, insert images by clicking the Insert menu and choosing Image. Select the picture you want to add and adjust its size or position as needed. If necessary, you can also insert tables for organizing data into rows and columns. Simply choose the table option from the menu bar. Once your document is complete, click File and then Save. Choose a location on your computer, enter a file name, and save the document. Finally, review your document for any changes before closing it or sharing it with others. And that's it. You've successfully created a document in LibreOffice Writer and learned the basic tools needed to start working efficiently. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.